So friends, the Department of Justice just took the official position in court that Donald Trump can be sued by Capitol Police officers and members of Congress for inciting violence on January 6th. Let's talk about that, because justice matters. Hey all, Glenn Kirshner here. So friends, the Department of Justice just took an important step forward on the Donald Trump accountability front. DOJ just took the official position in federal court that Donald Trump can be sued by Capitol Police officers and by members of Congress whose lives he endangered by inciting that angry mob on January 6th. DOJ took the position that Donald Trump does not have immunity, not absolute immunity or any other kind of immunity against being sued for what he did on and around January 6th. And you want to hear something pretty remarkable, pretty depraved? You know what Donald Trump, through his lawyers, is arguing in this litigation? Donald Trump is arguing, I can incite people to imminent violence and y'all can't do a damn thing about it. I have absolute immunity. I can do whatever I want, even inspire people to attack the Capitol, and I can't be sued. Don't take my word for that being Donald Trump's position. This comes from the court filing by the Department of Justice. At oral argument, the former president's counsel reiterated his view that absolute immunity extends to speech that incites imminent private violence. Well, DOJ weighed in and said, no, wrong. You have no such immunity. Let's turn to the new reporting from USA Today. Headline, DOJ to appeals court. In other words, the Department of Justice tells the appeals court Donald Trump can be sued over role in January 6th Capitol riot. And that article begins, the Justice Department said Thursday, former President Donald Trump doesn't deserve absolute immunity from 3 civil lawsuits accusing him of inciting the Capitol attack on January 6, 2021. Quote, no part of a president's official responsibilities includes the incitement of imminent private violence, department lawyers said in an appeals court filing. By definition, such conduct plainly falls outside the president's constitutional and statutory duties. And friends, let me quote just 2 very short passages from the 24-page DOJ filing. First, here the district court concluded that plaintiffs' complaints plausibly allege that President Trump's speech at the rally on January 6, 2021 precipitated the ensuing attack on the Capitol, and, in particular, that the complaints plausibly allege that the former president's speech encouraged imminent private violent action and was likely to produce such action. And this passage, which was also quoted in the USA Today article, but it bears repeating, no part of a president's official responsibilities includes the incitement of imminent private violence. By definition, such conduct plainly falls outside the president's constitutional and statutory duties. And importantly, the DOJ opinion goes on to say, oh, and by the way, regarding First Amendment protection, yeah, if Donald Trump's speech on January 6th was designed to and reasonably likely to incite imminent violent acts, and of course we know it did, it does not enjoy First Amendment protection either. No absolute immunity, no First Amendment protection. Now, why is this DOJ pronouncement so important? Well, it helps pave the way for a criminal indictment. Let me be clear, it doesn't guarantee a criminal indictment, but it really does help pave the way. And that's a good thing, because justice matters. Friends, as always, please stay safe, please stay tuned, and I look forward to talking with you all again soon.